morning from the Masai Mara. Please join me this morning for one of the must-do items on a safari, the hot air balloon ride. So my day started basically with a wake-up call at 4:30. The pickup was at 5, and of course this is all local unpaved Mara roads for another hour to get there at 6. So as you can see here, my pilot is getting it all warmed up. It's a very hot place to be there in the center of the balloon. So as we rise up into the air, the makeup of the balloon ride is simply this huge basket with 4 corner compartments. You can see the other 2 there. And the center one is mainly for the pallet. You will not be crossing that. So tip number 1, the center of the basket is a really warm place and loud also, that whooshing of the heater and the pipes and all of that stuff. So you don't really need much in terms of a jacket, just one is enough. And tip number 2 is, even though the basket looks the same from any side, the pilot will be mostly focused on one side and treating it as the front of the balloon. So over this 1-hour ride, we saw the glorious sunrise, nicely timed as we were already in the air. That leads us to tip number 3. Be sure to bring a good set of binoculars to see the landscape as well as the animals. Speaking of which, we saw hippos, giraffes, wildebeests, zebras, and even a lion or 2. Tip number 4, you can just bring one camera with a modest zoom lens. You don't need anything super long. Maybe 200 millimeters is good enough. Here we have some wildebeest running wild and crazy in the Mara. As we prepare to land, we did manage to land upright and not tip over. We then get ready for the fun part of the balloon ride, which is our nice bush breakfast. They prepare a nice little buffet, a modest buffet, as well as freshly cooked eggs and omelets. You get mimosa and all different types of drinks, and expect to pay roughly from $350 to $450 for this nice
Thank you so much.
So thanks for joining me on this fun event, and we hope to see you next time. Bye for now.